This is actually, unfortunately, consistent with things that happened with Trump's first term, not necessarily, well, of course it happened with pharmaceuticals under the guise of COVID-19, but also the biotech industry was dramatically deregulated, and agriculture and genetic modified organisms had it was a huge, market swing in the upwards direction for them under Trump. And actually, a lot of organic farmer associations and small farmer associations sued the first Trump administration because of that extreme deregulation of GMOs in the food supply. So, it seems like, at least as far as President Trump is concerned, he doesn't see these, genetically engineered products, whether in the food supply or in the healthcare system, as concerning. And I think, people have sort of tried to explain away his support for the vaccines produced in Operation Warp Speed and say he doesn't necessarily feel that way. But I think we should pay attention to his own words. And he's continued to sort of, praise it as a great accomplishment. And hasn't really said anything about mRNA needs to be studied, or we're not sure about this. It seems like he's all on board, as of course are the big business leaders in big pharma, which I know Max Jones a month or two ago was on your show to talk about the issue of big pharma and patent cliffs. Really, the only way big pharma can stay alive and continue to expand its profits, as it is wont to do, is to get biotech deregulated so it can flood the product with markets that never have to necessarily go generic and mean that loss of profit